It is the day after the political madness, and I believe that Jamaica made the right choice. I know for a fact that those who worked at the polling stations are exhausted. I know for a fact that those who went to vote should be exhausted as well. I believe that yesterday was a win for Jamaica. Yes, I believe that yesterday was a win for Jamaica. Not because the Andrew Holness led administration, JLP, was re elected, but because the election was so close. That says two things to me. You can disagree. One, it says to me that the democratic process in the House of Parliament will be able to proceed because the opposition has enough seats where they can contest. Because I think when last I checked, the last calling, I'm sure there are going to be a few recounts. It was JLP 34 and PMP 29. So, and another thing is, this is Andrew Holness' third term. This is JLP's third consecutive term. They need to feel pressure, because what you do not want is any one specific political party sitting in power for too long, getting complacent, forget that they are the people's servant and not the other way around. But these are my genuine thoughts. I'm ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I want to hear from you.